The focus of the last two slides were about this concept of statistical significance, and the slide shows a very specific definition of being statistically significant. Generally, being statistically significant, I keep repeating that, that's the main focus, and that's what we will be presenting as interesting in this course. Is whether or not the likelihood of getting specific results are very small. Something that happens often doesn't make headline news, but something that is rare case is more interesting to us. So I presented a couple of probability or chance statements. So one of them had to do with if you're in a room with so many people, what's the likelihood that you are going to share a birthday with someone? That is defined with theoretical probability. I can make a fraction out of the probability that my birthday will be January 28th, which it is. Don't use that against me. Okay. So I have a 1 out of 365 chance that my birthday would have been on that day. So this is theoretical probability. We will be covering this in chapter 4. And it's the kind of thing people relate to math, right? But even though it is statistically significant that I might be in a room with 70 people and I don't share a birthday with someone, it's not that practically significant. If I shared that information that I went to a conference with 70 people and I had the same birthday as someone else, maybe nobody cares, right? And so we've got this concept of being practically significant versus statistically significant. And the weight loss slide was when you're in business and you're trying to do different studies before you put out your product, and you can make a statement that all these people that took my diet pill over the course of a year lost 5 pounds, that would be pretty significant for you because people that were not taking the diet pill did not have those kind of results. However, the idea that I would have to be on a diet pill for a whole year, probably not a diet pill either, right? You probably have to do other things like work out, or in this case, not eat certain foods for only 5 pounds, maybe not practically significant for people. So again, this ties into the general nature of why we do statistics, and also what we report as an important statistic. Might be on paper, numerically, the likelihood of something happening might not be high, and therefore have statistical significance, but not even maybe worthy of presenting because it doesn't have practical significance. So again, that was the focus of those slides, and you'll, as the semester goes on, be focusing on when you do statistics and you get something that is statistically significant, is what kind of statement do I make when I do get results like that.